How to get a certification. When you have completed a level of learning, you can go to the Setting, Apply page to apply for certification. However, you must complete the tests of this level before you can apply. At least 10 of the 13 tests must have a score of more than 2 stars. Enter the time you want to be certified. If the school has a designated trainer, enter the ID of the trainer. Then, enter your real name to initiate the appointment. Note that the real name can only be entered once and cannot be changed. If the balance is insufficient, you need to recharge it first. After the trainer accepts your application, you will receive a notification email. The trainer selects online or offline assignments according to the actual situation. After the certification time is set, open the Apply page again. Select the level to be certified, and the Start button will appear. Click the button and wait for the connection with the trainer. The certification is divided into 2 steps. First, you will see 256 Chinese characters disordered. Read them in the displayed order. With a full score of 100, deduct 1 point if you misread or pronounce incorrectly. This step must be completed within 10 minutes. Once the time is up, you will automatically enter the next step. The second step is to answer the question raised by the trainer, who will grade them according to the accuracy of the answers. Both parts must be above 60 points to pass the certification. After passing the authentication, you can see the obtained certificate in Setting, My Certificate, and click the certificate to share it with other social media.